Good, good evening, candidates. This is Working Capital Assessment Credit Monitoring, questions 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Number 11, a business firm, while accounting for stocks for the finalization of its balance sheet, has to ensure that these are valued at A, cost price if market price is lower, B, market price if cost price is lower, C, cost or market price whichever is lower, then D, realizable value of the stock. E, none of the above. The answer is D, a realizable value of the stock. Question number 12. In the first method of lending, as recommended by Tandon Committee, the net working capital requirement is 25% of. The answer is working capital gap, A. Number 13, which among the following is not examined by the bank while renewing working capital limits in favor of the borrower? The answer is none of the above. That means all these are looked into. Number A, whether the terms of the previous loan have been complied with. B, whether the sales have been routed through the account. C, whether the repayment of the term loan sanction along with the working capital is being made regularly. D, whether the sales estimated at the time of sanction have been achieved. All these will be looked into. Question number 14. Why a banker should keep margin? The answer is D. That is, there can be fluctuation in the price of security, or due to application of interest, the debt pressure on the borrower goes on increasing, or C, with the passage of time, its value depletes. The answer is all of the above. On account of all these reasons, we have to maintain margin. Question number 15. While sanctioning credit facilities to their borrowers, bankers calculate a number of ratios. Which of the following ratios is more relevant for sanction of term loan? The answer is debt service coverage ratio. C, debt service coverage ratio. Number 16, a micro and small enterprise has been sanctioned working capital limits against the actual level of stock, which normally remains around 30% of the annual sale. The annual sales are rupees 100 lakhs. What should be the value of the insurance policy if the limit is 22.50 lakh by maintaining a margin of 25% margin on stocks? The answer is 30 lakhs. That is the value of the stock. If you allow 25% margin for 30 lakhs, it comes to 7.5. So net balance limit will be 22.5. So the answer is C. Number 17, a business firm has been sanctioned working capital limits of rupees 6 lakhs at 25% margin by the bank and book debt limit of rupees 4 lakh at 50% margin. What will be the total margin requirement to avail the limit fully? A business firm has been sanctioned a working capital limit of rupees 6 lakhs at 25% margin by the bank and book debt limit of rupees 4 lakh at 50% margin. What will be the total requirement to avail the limit fully? Here the answer is given as question number 17. Answer is given as 6 lakhs. How can it be a business working capital limit of 6 lakhs with 25% margin? Then that means he must have 8 lakhs worth of stocks. Book debt of 4 lakhs, 50% margin. Even then it is 8 lakhs. The answer for this is E, 8 lakhs. I think in the material given, it is wrongly given as 6 lakhs. It should be 8 lakhs. Please give your comments in the comments column. Number 18, a medium term loan is repayable in, the answer is 3 to 7 years. 3 to 7 years. An MSc unit which projected turnover of rupees 30 lakh approaches your branch for sanction of working capital limits. What will be the minimum amount of working capital to be assessed for this firm? An MSc unit with projected turnover of rupees 30 lakh, projected turnover 30 lakh for sanction of what will be the minimum working capital? Yeah, that is 4 times, assuming it turns over 4 times. The answer is 7.50 lakh. A bank branch has, number 20, a bank branch has contracted the following business during the last 1 year. Which among this cannot be classified as non-fund credit business? The answer is none of the above. Everything which among the following cannot be classified as non-fund credit business? That is issued letter of credit on behalf of two importer customers. B, confirmed letters of credit on the request from a foreign bank. C, issued forward contracts on behalf of an exporter and an importer for purchase and sale of exchange. Number D, given guarantee on behalf of customer. Which among this cannot be classified as non-fund credit business? The answer should be all are classified as non-fund credit balance. Answer is wrongly given as none of the above. It should be all of the above. All of the above are non-fund based credit business. Thank you. The answer given is wrong. Let me change it afterwards.